Good evening, our honorable judges, our adjudicator, and everyone. Thank you for letting me to do my speech on why I don't regret the massive involvement of AI in the professional workplace. AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to computer system designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, especially in professional workplace. Right now, teachers' workplace is in the generative AI hype cycle. This also could be a factor of the 4.0 going to 5.0 era, which really makes AI so useful in workplaces. In schools, AI tools such as automated grading systems, adaptive learning platforms, plagiarism checkers, and AI-based teaching assistants are becoming more and more common. As the Contra Team, I support the involvement of AI in the professional workplace. Like people who works in professional fields rather than harms, the involvement of AI in the teaching profession brings more benefits. AI is not a replacement for teachers. It is a supportive tool that makes their work more effective, efficient, and impactful. Why? Because teachers still remain the core of education, especially in guiding values, giving empathy, and motivating their students. Unlike AI, which is just an emotional robot, AI can simply automate repetitive tasks such as grading, lesson planning, and attendance. Through adaptive learning platforms, AI can give students exercises suited to their level. This helps teachers know which students need extra help, because without AI, teachers might miss the chance to give personalized learning to every student. If we regret AI's involvement, schools will fall behind global standards, because even Indonesia, with platforms like Ruang Guru, Zenius, and the Merdeka Belajar program, already use AI to improve the quality of education. Not in only teaching workplace, online drivers oftenly use an automatic chatbot response for their customers so they can work faster. Not to mention that corporates will start to use AI apps that can analyze the candidate qualification, verify their experience of their applicants, and find out the right candidate for the right position. As I mentioned before, and as we know, the usage of AI really increases productivity and efficiency. In law firms, AI-powered software can scan thousands of documents in minutes. Such tasks like that may take humans a lot of time, which makes it inefficient error, and ensure consistency in tasks such as data entry, scheduling, and customer service. AI-powered tools can help employees better manage their workloads, leading to improved work-life balance. AI can optimize schedules, automate routine tasks, and provide insights into how employees can better manage their time, so that this allows employees to focus on higher priority tasks during hours and reduce their stress. Not only that, AI can also help us to teach us English. We can use Grammarly, we can use Google Translate to help our speaking to be better, and also we can use it to automatically make our PowerPoint. In Canva, there is a automatic AI PowerPoint, so you can do your job faster. So, in conclusion, as the Contra Team, I believe that the massive involvement of AI in the professional workplace is not something to regret, but an opportunity to harness. AI with proper adaptation leads to effectiveness, consistency, and work balance. That is all from me. Thank you very much.